Are you eating chocolate? Is it nummy? All gone.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Baba.
Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Where's Papa? Where's Daddy? Where's Levi?
No.
You're Levi?
No.
Who am I? What's this one?
Mom.
Yeah, Mom. Oh man. I'm gonna have to clean you good when you're done. Chocolate all over you. Are you done? No? Okay. You wanna go ride in the truck with Daddy later? Is that a yes or a no?
No.
No?
No.
Yeah, I think we will.
No. No.
Why not? You don't want to go ride with Daddy in the truck? How about the tractor? I bet Grandpa would let you ride in the combine with them. Do you want to ride in the tractor with Grandpa? What? What kind of farm boy are you?
No. Papa.
Yeah, we can go see Grandpa. Ride in the tractor with Grandpa? No, you don't want to ride in the tractor though? Tractor?
No.
What?
No.
Tractor. Tractor? Okay. Cookery. You gonna eat the last of your cookie or are you done? You want some more cookie or are you all done? Are you done? Are you done? You're silly. Messy. You're a mess. Should we clean you up? Should I go get a washcloth? And wash your face? Should I go get a washcloth and clean you up? Oh, really? Mm. Okay.